Hello and welcome to my channel. This is the chart of CHFJPY. CHFJPY is in downtrend. CHFJPY has broken this resistance to the downward, and after breaking this resistance it went up to the retest of this level. Now this was very main level, very important level that has been broken, and now it is expected that this pair will go down quick, because after this next level of resistance is, I am going to show you, this is the next resistance, because and this was very strong. How? Let us see this. When this pair was coming up, this was the resistance. Here, this was the resistance. Again, here, this was the resistance. Ultimately, it broke to the upward. After going upward, when it was pushed down, then this worked as support. First, this was resistance, then it worked as support. After hitting the support, this went up to this and created a resistance, and continuously that pair was trying to come downward, and ultimately has broken this very strong resistance, and after breaking this went up to retest, and after getting out of this space it is expected to go fast downward to this level. Then after this level, this is the support, because this was earlier resistance, then resistance was broken, and then pair came back, used it as support. So this is the level that has been used as resistance and as support. Same way, this was the resistance and support, but now this has broken, and then this is pair is coming downward, and it is high probability that quickly will touch to this level 137.156, and let us see what happens, whether this pair is able to break this or not. So please subscribe my channel, like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I will be coming in the next video with another analysis.